Whoa, exhausted. Was training pretty hard, a little sweaty, but I'm going to be all right. I'll tell you why in a second. By the way, those of you who don't know me, if you're new to the channel, I'm Dex's partner, Frank. If you're part of the PulseWave trading family, you definitely know me because I'm in almost all of your training videos, but I've been away for a little while and I'm back today. And you see, I'm geared up, man. I've got America on my mind. I've got training on my mind because I'm getting ready for Bitcoin week. My favorite week of the, I would say year, but we do it about 4 times a year. So it's my favorite week of the quarter. All right. And that's starting next week. Now, if you're not a member of PulseWave Trading, this is the video you need to watch because Bitcoin week is where we allow people who are not paying members of PulseWave Trading access to our price trigger reports. All right, which is what we use to ride the pulse waves in these markets. So this is the one thing you need to know to participate in Bitcoin week. Sign up for tomorrow's webinar, Friday afternoon, 11 a.m. Eastern. It's a private webinar, so you do have to register, but you just give name and email, and it's a Zoom webinar. So super easy, and I'd love to see you there. And it's the name of the webinar is How to Hold and Trade, or HODL as Bitcoin people like to say, how to hold and trade cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. How to hold and trade Bitcoin at the same time. So how to stack it up, but also trade it. So we're going to talk about different ways that you could do that, different tools you could use for that. But specifically, I'm going to talk about how to use the PulseWave price trigger reports, how to incorporate that into your trading. That's our research. We put it out every weekday evening based on Dex's algorithm that he's been working on for 20 years. So tomorrow's webinar, 11 a.m. Eastern. If you miss it, not a problem, especially if you're a free member. We'll repost it in our free Slack. If you're not a free member, go to PulseWave Trading, sign up for a free membership. And by the way, that's one of the ways you participate. So I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. Gonna give you show you some of the resources that we have to teach you how to use the PulseWave price triggers. So if you have some free time, I know it's a holiday weekend, but most traders are insane like us. Your downtime, you get excited about things like trading. So I figured, even though it's a holiday weekend, some of you might have an extra minute or two to look at some of our resources and get ready. So you could do that with a free membership. But the real info you need is coming on tomorrow's webinar with me, live Zoom webinar, totally free. And you could participate in Free Trade Week. That's what's free, for totally free. All right. And we just might have some special offers for those of you who want to get serious about trading. You're not just wanting to dip your toe, but you're looking to get serious. Some really cool offers for you on that webinar. So that's tomorrow at 11 a.m. And it's great to see you all. For those of you who are new, yes, Dex has a crazy partner. If you're new to the channel, hi. For those of you who aren't, it's great to see you again. Been away, certainly away from YouTube for a while, so it's great to see you again. And hope to see you on the webinar tomorrow. Even if you're a long time Pulse Waver, feel free to come and visit with us. We always love to have you on the webinar. So, old hat Pulse Wavers who've been doing it for a long time, they show up on these webinars, and it's always a good time to have them. They tend to just be there for the fun of it, or to answer a question for other people, things like that. So all are welcome. All right, folks, pulsewavetrading.com. The link is in description. You scroll down just a little bit on the page, and there's a hey, what's up, buddy? Just the comments. There's a thing for our live events this week, and you'll see on the right, Friday webinar. We do one pretty much every week, and you just give your email, and you're ready to go. All right, and if you can't be there live, we'll get you the replay. You just reach out to me. All right. Thanks for watching. Bitcoin Week's coming up next week. And by the way, we're also going to have ETH for the free traders, partner members. So show up. We'll tell you all the details. All right. I talked too much. I stayed too long. I said too much. I'll tell you the details tomorrow on the live webinar, 11 a.m. Love you folks. Bye, Pulse Wavers. See you tomorrow. End broadcast.